I am aware of it that you all have been learning this language for long time and still you are not improving. So don't worry friends, I have a solution for your problem. Just yaram everyone, welcome back to my channel English with Desi Madam. My name is Rita. So friends, I have received so many messages or phone calls from your side that ma'am, I have been learning this language for a long time, still I am not improving. Don't worry, I have a solution for your problem. In this video I'm going to share with you 5 wonderful tips. So the very first tip that I'm going to share within this video name is immerse yourself totally in English. The question is that ma'am, how to immerse ourselves totally in English? Because it's very difficult. It's not our native language, it's a secondary language. So how to immerse ourselves totally in English? We have not an environment in English. Don't worry friends, what you need to do for this immerse yourself totally in English, you need to just change your Android phone setting, language setting, from your native language into the English language. Why? Because this is a thing that we generally get with us every time. I mean to say, when I get up early in the morning, we generally check whether there is an urgent calls or messages. When any notification comes in our mobile phone, we generally check, okay, what is the notification, what is the message, and whatever apps you are using, whatever uh, any pocket FM pocket thing that you are watching or you are reading, you just need to change your set Android phone set language from your native language into English language. In this way, slowly you will be immersing yourself in this language, and you don't understand, automatically you will be learning this language. So yes, this is a thing that you need to do, immerse yourself totally in English. And yes, this is the tip number first. Now let's move on tip number second. Now tip number second is very easy. I mean to say, it's not easy, sometimes it's feel more difficult. So tip number 2 is thinking in English. Think in English. How to think in English? It's very difficult. I mean to say, and this is the same like thinking in another language. So how to think in English? Yes, I know that English is a secondary language, and nowadays we can say it's not a secondary language. English is mixed up with Hindi is mixed up with English. So yes, we can say it's not a secondary language, but it is a language that we listen too much. Okay, whatever language you are using, whatever language is your native language, but English is the language that we generally listen, read, write, because this is the subject that we have learned in our schooling time. So we cannot say okay, it's difficult. Okay, initially time you feel might be little bit difficult, but when you do this thing, when you you will be able to catch this habit, I mean to say think in English, then you will definitely deliver your thoughts in English. Believe me. Now I'm going to show you how to start thinking English. Just observe yourself, just observe your surroundings, wherever you are, wherever you are going, and whenever you are thinking, whenever you are do anything, just you need to observe everything, what is happening around you. I mean to say, when I am going to school, so yes, all the students are coming, some students are wearing uniform, some students are not wearing. So yes, these are some slowly thing that you need to think in your mind directly in English. I mean to say, okay, initially time if you are thinking, okay कुछ स्टूडेंट तो स्कूल की यूनिफॉर्म पहने हैं, कुछ स्टूडेंट स्कूल की यूनिफॉर्म नहीं पहने हैं. So yes, this is the thing that you are thinking, but yes, you need to start think in English initially time. If you are thinking in your native language, it's okay, but you need to start thinking English. You need to observe of all the thing that is happening around you. You need to observe all the actions. Okay, and you need to observe your whole day. Okay, describe your day in English. Okay, I wake up early in the morning. मैं सुबह जल्दी उठ जाती हूँ. I wake up around 6 o'clock in the morning, and then I drink lukewarm water. These are little sentences that you need to just create in your mind. You need to just think in English. Okay, if you are in a kitchen, yeah, I mean to say, you need to just observe yourself, you need to just describe all the thing that you are doing, you need to just describe all the action that you are watching by going market, wherever you are going in a journey, in a shopping, you just need to observe all the thing in English. And this is the right way. If you do this thing, if you will be able to make this habit, I mean to say, think in English, then definitely you will easily deliver your thoughts into English, believe me. So, okay, initially time you feel more awkward, you feel more and difficult, but at the same time it is not too much difficult. It is very easy if you will start, in everyday life, okay. Every day think about all the subjects, what is the meaning of this subject, what is the name of this thing, okay. Think about all the actions, okay. The policeman is controlling the crowd, white car, passed by me. So these are some little sentences that you need to create in your mind. I mean to say, you need to start thinking in English. Thinking in English, it's very important for learning this language. And now you need to start this. You need to start this habit from today. Okay. Now, so this is the tip number 2. Let's move on. Tip number 3, that is very important. I mean to say, without this you can't fluent in English. That is, speak out loud. Speak out loud. Whenever you are reading any book, any para, anything in a mobile setting, anywhere, you just need to speak out loud. Initially time you feel more crazy, more awkward, ridiculous, wizard. It's okay because you are a learner, you are a beginner. So initially time, if you are doing these things, so it's okay. Just tell your family members that I am learning this language, so if I do these things, so don't laugh at my thing, okay. If you will feel laugh, so you don't need to think about they are laughing, okay. So yes, this is the thing that you need to do. Speak out loud. Why I'm saying speak out loud? Because whatever you are reading, whatever you are, I just give you an example. And just you are reading a newspaper in English, you are reading a book in English, you need to speak out loud, okay. Once upon a time, I just give you a example. If you are reading a story, you need to say this thing like this. Okay, once upon a time there was a aunt, and she was very thirsty, so she went to the river to drink water, okay. Don't mumble in your mind, because if you speak out loud, so your jaw muscles, your mouth muscles, and yes, everything will be working at that time. So yes, you need to speak out loud, and this is the thing that you will achieve this habit. I mean to say, you can easily think in English if you speak out loud everything, okay. Initially time you feel more crazy, but it's okay. And don't think about someone, what will they say about your this habit. Don't worry, just let them laugh. You need to just focus on yourself, okay. Now let's move on. Tip number 4, that is, it's very important. That is, can you imagine what is the tip? That is, totally stop giving excuse in English. Don't think what someone else is thinking about your English. Yes, it's very important, because whatever we are learning skill in initially time, it's okay. And that we are making different kind of mistakes, okay. It's okay. When I was learning this language, so I made a lots of mistake, believe me, believe me. So if I, I could not think about what people say about my English. I just wanted to improve my English. So that's why I did not care about the people. And yes, this is the thing that you need to, adopt in your behavior. If someone laugh at your English, and someone mock of your English, at that time you don't need to, react them. You don't need to feel sorry. You don't need to feel, very inferiority, okay. Because they are people, and they will laugh. Don't worry about it, because you cannot happy, you cannot make them every people happy. Okay, whatever you are doing, they will give some comments, they will give some taunting, so you don't need to think about what will say. You need to focus on yourself. So this is the tip number 4, that is very important. And this, because of this thing, most of the people, they just they have taken a resolution for learning this language, and but because of this reason, that people will laugh at their English, people will mock of their pronunciation, so they generally give up. But you don't need to give up, don't need to give up, because I mean, what is the meaning of that you have started this learning this language, and you have given your effort a lot of. So okay, don't give up. Now let's move on, tip number 5, that is very important. That name is practice, practice, practice. Yes, I have never end my video by giving this tip, because whatever tips method I'm sharing with you, it's not different. Everyone says that if you really want to improve your English fluency, so you need to follow this tip, this tip, this tip, and it is not different from other tip. But at the end, you need to just apply all the tips in your learning process. So yes, I never end my video by giving this tip. I mean to say, you need to practice yourself. It's your headache, it's your choice for learning this language, that you have made initially here for learning this language. So yes, it's your choice, it's your responsibility to fulfill your desire. And for this, you need to just put some effort for learning this language. You just need to take some struggle. Okay, you need to take some difficulties. Okay, and believe me, try and try again, you will succeed at the last, believe me. So yes, at the end, you need to work on it. At the end, you need to focus on it. You need to improve yourself, that yes, you can do this. And if I can, then why you can't? Believe me. Yes, if you haven't watched my previous video, then go and check out my previous video. In my first, second, third video, you can see I had made so many mistakes in English. Still, I am making some mistakes in English. I'm not saying that I'm perfect, but I can say yes, I am improving, and yes, still I am learning this language. I am a learner. So just like you, friends, whatever things I have achieved in my learning process, I just try to make you that you can also achieve this thing. Okay, so yes, these are some tips that I wanted to share with you, and these tips helped me a lot when I was learning this language. And if it helped me, then this will definitely help you, believe me. So I hope you like my video. So don't forget to like, subscribe to this channel, and we will see you in the next video. Till then, Jai Shri Ram.